So we got this Philips battery operated wireless doorbell kit. I've already opened it. Here we have it here. First thing, open the back of the larger receiver here. And you're going to find this little circular battery. That's going to go into the transmitter. But before I put it in there, I'm going to put the C batteries here with the right polarity, obviously. There we go. Bone faces away from the spring, going that way. Simple as that. So we have the 3 batteries in. And then over here, I already removed this cover. I had to use like a screwdriver. So, I'll kind of show you here. You put a screwdriver right into there and it pops out. And there was a couple of pieces of tape holding this thing on. So make sure first remove this thing with the tape. Remove that get that tape off. That way when you use the screwdriver to take this off, it won't resist because there won't be that tape there. Take this. Now we're going to put this in with the positive sign facing up. Put it right like this. Okay. Positive sign up. Now we should be able to push this button. Note this little button right here. That is how you select the sound you want. We heard the first one, sound like a kind of a typical doorbell. Just press this button. Interesting. Press the button. Three knocks. That does not sound like a knock to me. Mozart. We're just going to go ding dong to start. I can always change it. You can always change it. Open this back up. You want to change it. I'm just going to go ding dong. Pop it back on. I'm going to slide this in the top. And then pop the back in. Didn't mean to ring it, but that's fine. Now, there's also a way to adjust the volume. That's right here. You have a pairing button and a volume button. So we're going to go ahead and ring the doorbell. Now I'm lowering the volume. While it's ringing, I hit it. Now it's at the max. A little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. Back on the max. Most people probably want it max so that you can hear your doorbell wherever you are in the house. So I'm going to keep it at the max. That's the whole point of this. So if I'm sleeping and someone comes over, I can't hear the doorbell. I can't hear the knock. So that's why I'm doing this. This is more of a temporary solution. I don't know how long this will hold, but the best way is obviously with a drill. And this is obviously where there used to be a doorbell. So for me, I already have a place where there used to be a doorbell. And I've never moved. I've lived here for like 13, 14 years. I've never, it's always been like this. So I'm going to remove this, see what I can do. Kind of rusty. Probably use new screws. Wheels there. You can see how this will go in pretty much perfectly. A nice little doorbell right there. And I'm going to have to drill a couple of holes into this baby. And then we're going to have to take this off again. Well, I might as well take it off now. Okay, so a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, just takes this out. And that way we can focus with this now. May make the most sense just to make some fresh holes. But I will put it in the same place the other one was. Just going to hide this. It's kind of ugly right here. So we'll put in new fresh holes, even though there's these holes already there. It doesn't really work on this. I could drill one right through the center in here, but I'm not going to do that because they're actually made. One here in the corner, one here up here is made for drilling, ready to go. I need a 1/16 drill, which drill bit here. 1/16. I'm going to tighten that in. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to hold this up where I want it and just drill right into there. I'm just going to drill into the house here. So we've drilled one. I'm going to go ahead and put that screw in and bolt that part in, and then we'll drill the second one. Okay. There's two short screws, there's two taller screws. I'm driving the short screws for the doorbell. Push this right in. Make sure you get it nice and tight, but not overly tight, just good. That's solid. See that? That's nice and solid right there. Now slide in from the top, down, push in. And it's official. Last step, of course, is the receiver here that makes the sound. So kind of held it like this, if you will. Push it against the wall. So holding it like that, kind of. I can just kind of push it here against the wall. I'm going to do it a little higher, but for what I'm doing is I'm just holding it like this and I'm just kind of pushing it into the wall, so I'll see two little dents, and that's where I'm going to drill. Okay, so I put a little hole here. There's a little hole there. Drill one there, and then there was one right here at the point of this little leaf. So I just made it clear so I kind of wouldn't forget where it is. So there's my two little holes. There they are, sticking out about 1/4 inch. Okay, so I got those in just like that. This one should just pop right in. They're off by a little bit. Maybe you can just kind of try to maneuver it, push it around. Okay, it just popped right in for me. So doorbell installed. That's it. That's the job done. That takes 3 C batteries. So obviously got some backup batteries, and hey, nobody's home. Yes. Ha ha.